Hey, good morning, everybody. We're going to do round two of fractional parts of a group today. Check your comments on yesterday. They look really good, but I want to turn them into some word problems today. So let's start here on number three. We're starting on number three today. Miss Ruth made 20 pounds of spaghetti for the school using noodles, sauce, and meatballs. In her spaghetti recipe, 7/10 of it was noodles. How many pounds of noodles did she use? First of all, that's a lot of spaghetti. So I just circled, what are some key numbers here when we're making 20 pounds? Is all of it going to be noodles? No, 7/10 are going to be noodles. What do you know about 7/10? Well, 7 out of 10 is a little bit more than half, right? So my guess is probably going to be more than 10 pounds of noodles, because 7 out of 10 is yeah, like I said, a little bit more than half, so maybe 11, 12, 13 pounds. Probably it's going to be how many noodles she's going to need, okay? So that's what we're trying to find. How many pounds of noodles did she use? Well, it's kind of like what we did yesterday. 7/10 of 20. So we're going to take a fraction of a group. We're 20 pounds. Remember, that's LBS for pounds. Well, the best way to do it, like we practiced, turn this whole number into a fraction. It's still 20, but 20 divided by 1 is now a fraction, okay? All right, so here we go. Let's put an equal sign, and let's times it, right? Turn of into times. 7 times 20. Let's get this thing out. 7 times 20. 140. Remember, it's always good to type it in twice if you're not sure. And 10 times 1, well, I am sure about that one. It's 10, okay? All right, I have no idea how many 140 over 10 noodles is, so maybe we can divide it. Oh, maybe we could use a little trick here. Hey, if you get rid of 1 0 on the top, and you get rid of 1 0 on the bottom, right? As long as it's equal. I have a feeling that 140 divided by 10 is just going to be 14. There we go. So 14 pounds, or 14 LBS pounds of noodles. I look at that. I wrote pounds of pounds. Pounds of noodles. So it's probably going to be how many pounds of sauce and meatballs? Maybe 3 pounds of sauce, 3 pounds of meatballs. All together, it's 20 pounds. But most of it is going to be the noodles, okay? Jim eats 3/5 of his 10 apple slices. Kim eats 2/6 of her 12 slices. How many slices did they eat all together? This looks a little bit more complicated. We got Jim and we got Kim, and then we got to put them together. I like this strategy here. Make some columns. I'm going to put a J for Jim, K for Kim, and maybe T for total. All right, so my man, he's got 3/5 of 10. She did 2/6 of 12. How many slices did they eat all together? That's our key word there. I think all together usually means add them together, right? All right, Jim, 3/5 of 10. You guys know what to do. Let's times it. Well, this times a fraction times a fraction. 3 times 10, 30. 5 times 1, 5. 30 over 5. I have no idea. Maybe I'll divide it. Top divided by the bottom. 6 apple slices, right? Circle that 6 so we know it. All right, she's got 2 out of 6. of 12. Did she eat half of her slices? No, I think a little bit less, right? Because it's 2 out of 6. I think if she had 3 out of 6, she would eat half of them. That would be, I guess, 6 slices, right? So my guess is maybe 4 or 5 slices. Hey, keep it down over there. I'm trying to do a lesson. Times it. Put it on a pedestal. Put it on that one. 2 times 12 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 slices, right? All right, so what's my total? 6 plus 4. 10 apple slices. Let's do one more, guys. Mrs. Sterner made trail mix with peanuts, pretzels, and nuts. She made 5 pounds of trail mix, and 4/10 of it was pretzels. How many pounds of pretzels did she use? There we are. 4/10 of 5, right? Put it over a 1, put it on a pedestal. Let's times this thing. 4 times 5 is 20. 10 times 1 is still 10. 20 divided by 10. Come on, 2. Give me a 2. 2. There we go. 2 pounds of pretzels. That's it, guys. You're turning, you're finding the fractional part of a group, and you just use them in some word problems, okay? All right, you are responsible for 6 and 7. Do those, show your work, and send those back in, and I'll hit them up on the comments, okay? All right, take it easy. Have a good one.